Welcome to Compare to Win. The best duffel bag with garment rack is probably one of the most versatile travel companions for anyone who needs to keep their clothes looking sharp on the go, seamlessly blending the practicality of a spacious duffel with the functionality of a portable garment rack, ensuring your suits, dresses, and other formal wear remain wrinkle-free and ready to wear straight out of the bag, making it an indispensable item for business trips, weddings, or any occasion where presentation matters. Number 5. Modoker Convertible Garment Bag. Introducing the Modoker Convertible Garment Bag, a versatile 2-in-1 solution that seamlessly combines a garment bag with a duffel bag. It's perfect for business trips and weekend getaways. Keep your suits and dresses looking pristine with its innovative hanging garment bag feature. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to perfectly preserved attire. When assembled, it transforms into a spacious 45L duffel bag, ideal for your travel essentials. It even includes convenient pockets for shoes and small items. Designed to meet carry-on size requirements, this bag offers ample space without the hassle of checked luggage. Travel smart and light. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant materials, it protects your belongings from the elements. Plus, the adjustable shoulder strap ensures comfortable carrying. What we like. This bag is perfect for business trips or weekend getaways. If you're looking for a way to keep your suits or dresses wrinkle-free while traveling, this is the one. It's designed to be a carry-on, making airport navigation a breeze. What people say. This bag is the unique solution since I'm no longer 25 and sometimes need to bring some nice clothes along with my casual clothes on a weekend trip. It's a great bag to throw in the trunk or take as a carry-on. Love it. Took on a cruise recently. I hung 2 dresses, 5 nice shirts, and a long-sleeved shirt of my husband's. All in bags from the dry cleaners. Zipped it up and still had room for my skin care, makeup and 3 pairs of shoes. It went through airport baggage with no scratches. Hung the clothes right away. Perfect, I would buy again. I do recommend it if you need a nice, spacious bag, just don't overfill it. It will fit in the carry-on compartment on a plane. I do like the shoe pocket and the quality of the material used. Number 4. Garment Bags Convertible Suit Travel Bag. Introducing the ultimate travel companion. This versatile bag is designed to keep your suits and clothes perfectly organized, no matter where you go. It features a dedicated compartment for your shoes, keeping them separate from your garments. This ensures everything stays clean and wrinkle-free during your journey. Crafted with waterproof material, it protects your belongings from the elements. You can travel with confidence, knowing your items are safe and dry. Despite its sleek design, it offers a large capacity, perfect for weekend getaways or longer trips. It easily accommodates all your essentials. This bag effortlessly converts to suit your needs. It's ideal for both men and women who value convenience and functionality in their travel gear. Designed as a carry-on duffel, it makes airport navigation a breeze. Skip the baggage claim and head straight to your destination. What we like. This option is ideal for those who need a durable and spacious travel bag. If you're concerned about your belongings getting wet or need a dedicated spot for your shoes, this bag has you covered. It's a great choice for longer trips or when you need to pack a lot. What people say. The bag can hold a significant amount of items. The separate shoe compartment helps keep attire clean, and the built-in travel bag minimizes wrinkles. Thick bag, zippers are tough, hold size 15 dress shoes and a 3XL 50L suit without having to compromise space and a couple days of smaller clothes. Measurements still fit for a carry-on. The bag is well made with solid materials and sturdy zippers, mandatory for this type of bag. It did a pretty good job of keeping my suit wrinkle-free throughout the transition process. The shoe compartment is also very roomy. I was able to pack away my dress shoes, running shoes, and some slippers in there too. Number 3. VIPEK R2C Medium Heavy Duty Clothes Rack. Introducing a robust garment rack designed for your storage needs. It boasts a strong bearing capacity, ensuring it can handle substantial weight without deforming. This versatile organizer provides multiple tiers and double hanging rods for diverse storage options. With 4 rolling wheels, including 2 locking ones, you can easily move it anywhere you need. Crafted from high-quality iron pipes and wire, this rack is powder-coated for protection against water and rust. It's built to be stable, sturdy, and reliable for various spaces. Keep your belongings protected from dust with the included zippered cover. The upgraded polyester tiers are easy to clean, and you can zip it closed for privacy when guests visit. Please note that the rack and cover may arrive in separate packages. Carefully read the assembly directions before you begin putting it together for a smooth setup. What we like. This is a fantastic solution for organizing your closet space at home or in a retail setting. If you need a robust and mobile storage unit for a large wardrobe, this rack is your best bet. Its multiple tiers and wheels make it incredibly versatile for any room. What people say. It was easy to assemble and it holds a lot of tops. I probably have at least 75 or more. This rack is very well made. It is sturdy, easy to move, love the wheels. Easy to put together. The height is fabulous. The outside cover is perfect. The zipper zips from bottom up and across the top. You can access all your items with cover still in place. Assembly was actually as easy as the video ad, and that's in part because everything that needed to be twisted in was threaded very well. This design is much more sturdy than a single pole, and I like the dust cover. A very well made product. Number 2. Mavii Wheeled 28-inch Dance Bag. Introducing the Mavii Wheeled Dance Bag, your ultimate travel companion. This spacious 28-inch bag makes transporting your dance essentials a breeze. Setting up is a snap with its detachable aluminum garment rack. You'll be ready in no time, thanks to its intuitive design. With 4.38 cubic feet of main compartment space, it easily holds 7 to 10 garment bags. Keep everything organized and accessible. Discover smart organization with multiple pockets, including an insulated cooler and a quick-access front pocket. Everything has its place. Enjoy easy transportation with updated handles and smooth, easy glide wheels. Its lightweight construction ensures comfort on the go. Make it uniquely yours with a large top surface perfect for monograms or personalization. Crafted with premium, durable fabric for lasting quality. When not in use, it collapses to just 6 inches tall for easy storage. It even includes a rear compartment for a folding stool, making it truly versatile. What we like. This is the ultimate travel companion for dancers or anyone who needs to transport multiple outfits. If you're looking for a bag that can hold a significant amount of clothing and keep it organized with a built-in rack, this is it. Its large capacity and easy-to-use rack make it perfect for performances or extended travel. What people say. It has plenty of inside and outside pockets for shoes, tights, hair products and accessories, books, snacks, all the things. The inside is roomy. We often have up to 10 to 11 costumes and they always fit along with a makeup case and a change of clothes. Great dance bag. Love the color. Easy to put the hanging rack up and down. It has separate zippered pockets that are big and can hold a lot. The wheels make it easy to pull. This bag is a solid choice. Perfectly durable and a great size, holds all 12 plus costumes with shoes, makeup, etc. etc. Number 1. VIPEK R3C Plus Rolling Garment Rack. Introducing a garment rack designed to maximize your storage space. It boasts a compact design with an impressive load capacity, perfect for organizing your belongings efficiently. This rolling closet features 4 360-degree movable wheels, including 2 lockable ones for stability. It's ideal for various spaces like your laundry room, bedroom, or hallway. Keep your clothes protected with its upgraded polyester fabric cover. It's breathable, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to clean, ensuring your items stay dry and dust-free. This unit offers a 3-in-1 storage solution. It functions as a clothes rack, a shoe rack, and a general storage rack, making organization convenient and tidy. Constructed from premium carbon steel with a powder-coated finish, it's built for durability and rust resistance. Anti-tip accessories ensure it remains stable and secure. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its slip-sleeve locking system. You can easily adjust or detach components, and no tools are needed for installation. What we like. This rolling closet is perfect for maximizing storage in smaller spaces or for creating a flexible wardrobe solution. If you need a sturdy, customizable storage unit that can be easily moved, this is an excellent choice. Its adjustable shelves and locking wheels offer great convenience and stability. What people say. The garment rack is a great addition to the duffel bag, making it easy to keep clothes wrinkle-free. The bag has multiple compartments, which are very useful for organizing different items. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.